Are you ready to master Magento 2 in just 60 days? Whether you are a developer, store owner, or enthusiast, this roadmap will take you from a beginner to pro step by step. Stick around and let's break it down. In the first 10 days, we focus on the fundamentals. Here is what you need to do. Install Magento 2 in your local server. Understand the Magento 2 folder structure and key components. Learn about Composer, CLI commands, and Magento modes. Set up a basic store and configure essential settings. Now let's dive into managing your store. You will learn how to add and manage products, simple, configurable, group and bundle products. Set up categories, attributes, and tax rules. Configure shipping, payment methods, and checkout settings. Customize themes and layouts using Magento's CMS and page builder. By now you should have a functional store. It's time to extend its capabilities. Learn how to create and manage Magento modules. Explore custom theme development and overrides. Work with APIs and integrations. Optimize store performance and caching strategies. In the final stretch, you will refine your expertise with advanced skills. Master SEO and marketing features within Magento. Implement security best practices. Explore multi-store and multi-language setups. Learn debugging, profiling, and performance tuning techniques. Prepare a Magento certification if desired. And there you have it, a 60-day roadmap to becoming a Magento 2 Pro. Follow these steps, practice consistently, and you will gain the skills needed to build and manage powerful Magento store. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop any questions in the comments below. See you in the next video.